We had a customer accessibility issue where somebody said, hey, when you're looking at the reviewers panel on the pull request page, you can't tell these check marks apart. They're gray and green. I ended up seeing it and thought, I agree. Maintainer Tiny Wins at GitHub is improving the quality of life for open source maintainers. We talked about colors, we talked about shapes, should we add more tooltips? And we realized, what are we actually talking about here? Are we talking about a color perception problem, or are we talking about a parsing information problem? This is what the reviewers panel looked like before, with reviewers mixed together. And this upper check mark is actually green, and the lower one is gray, which you can't tell. Instead of changing the color or the shape, we'll group them differently. And so now this green check mark is in an upper area, and the gray one is in this lower area. We've grouped together reviewers whose approvals may not affect merge requirements. These are lower value to me as a maintainer. In Maintainer Tiny Wins, we're often picking up work outside of areas that we've ever looked at. And so Copilot really helped us to be able to get in there and do quick investigations and understand, how do I find the thing that I'm looking for and what should I do with it next? Sometimes with accessibility fixes, we have a tendency to think about the number of users or the percentage of audience that may be affected or may need this specific change. But instead, we're able to make a change that anybody anywhere can benefit from. I'm Helen. I'm an engineering manager and an open source software maintainer.